is throwing up. Ay! He's throwing up blood.
Nagsuka na. Wearing his patented pink color. Talo dito sa first round.
Klarong-klaro naman.
Klaro-klaro.
Klarong-klaro naman po. Yung mga suntok.
So again, guys, this is a 10-round fight. The Thai fighter, Krawut Majunggoin.
Ang ganda ng side. Yung Thai fighter, ba't napunta doon agad si Araneta?
Another
Call memory.
Laban.
straight na yan. I've seen mixing it up.
Mundok eh, baka matamaan siya. Kasi ang bilis na makabalik ng suntok.
Ayun na nga.
Araneta ngayon is nagbabasa pa yan.
Balik.
Not rushing his attacks. Hindi na ginagawa ni Chris.
Daus.
Eh, di pero. So, it's a very...
Again. Maingat.
Bang.
Nakakagulat naman yung mga bira.
Bilis si ano eh. Hindi ka dapat mag-risk.
Hindi ka pwede magmadali.
Yes.
Unless. And we are not looking for that. We're looking... uppercut and the thigh.
Good.
It's a liver shot.
Yeah, I think yung Thai is...
Good left.
Ayan na. Oh, not. That means that the thigh needs to go inside and make this a broad. Kita mo yung combination.
And then itong Thai.
Round number 5 and this is
Halfway na
only
tayo.
scheduled for 10 rounds. Milan.
Pero hindi tayo kumpiyansa sa Thailander kasi mukhang bumabasa siya. Nagbabasa siya. And he's good for...
Kasi medyo mahirap talaga pasok. That punches of Christian Araneta, but let me also acknowledge the footwork and the defense.
Good. Left to the body.
Dito sa good straight.
Mga Omega fighters, no?
Yeah, conditioning coach.
Yeah.
So that's good. That's a good sign.
Yung opponent niya is nakafocus sa straight. Naiilagan yung straight. But yeah, yes, it's overhand. Hindi pa tayo nakakita.
Good. Saktan itong Thai. But
Ricardo din tong he will go for
As early as now.
Not now.
Not now.
Not
Oh,
now.
hindi pa daw.
good.
Ang alam, puro snap yung sinusundok na ano eh.
Yes.
Puro snap.
I don't know, something special about that left straight.
Disarming bomba na to.
Mahirap. Diretso.
Side step. Papasok. Bilis kasi na.
Yeah. Chris utilizing the vest and the counter, trying to set up again.
Kailangan nang pumasok ng Thailander. Defense, attack, and sacrifice. Wala ka nang ibang choice.
This is what separate, where you, I'm just getting
In a position to...
nakatama din ng maganda rin doon yung thigh. Jack Krawut Majunggoin.
Yeah. Nakatama din ng body shot.
This is round number 9. If the Thai wants to win, he needs to make a move right now.
Yeah, if the Thai wants to win, needs to stop Araneta.
Yeah, if I were to ask you, what kind of punch you think should be effective against Christian Araneta? Parang hindi siya makapasok kahit anong suntok eh. Ano bang magandang panabla dyan sa ganyang style?
Mahirap yan eh.
Yan, combinations.
Mahirap. Dapat ka talaga pumasok sa loob pag ganyang estilo. Tsaka, then do the counter punch. Pag nakapasok ka na. Pero kung hindi ka makapasok, hindi ka makagawa ng counter punch niyan.
Ayan, medyo nagkakaroon na ng participation yung crowd.
Oo, kasi natamaan yung chan eh. Parang masakit. Ang hirap pumasok pag yung chan mo. Binabana, kanina pa yan ha.
Medyo nasasaktan siya. Nakikita mo sa facial reaction niya.
Nice! Yun. That's what you were saying.
Head hit to the knee.
Sa laban.
And it is over, ladies and gentlemen.
Nagsuka.
I hope he
Oh
is
my
okay.
gosh. I gotta see that again. That's what you were saying.
Head hit to the knee. Finally. And I think he's throwing up. He's throwing up blood.
Nagsuka na. Tapos sa laban.
And it is over, ladies and gentlemen.
Nagsuka.
I hope
Oh
he is
my
okay.
gosh. I gotta see that again.